Hello, and thank you for visiting OxiMedical Respiratory. We're an online portable oxygen provider. We have locations in multiple states. Each of them are service centers. We have respiratory therapists on staff if you have questions about your oxygen needs. Today we're going to do an educational video on portable oxygen and oxygen conserving devices. We have written articles in Lung Health Professional Magazine on hypoxia alert, and we also sponsor a nonprofit organization called COPD Breathe Strong that has educational material about portable oxygen and home oxygen concentrators. Let's go over the difference between a portable oxygen concentrator that you have here in comparison to an oxygen cylinder that your supplier delivered to you. To start with, you can't take an oxygen cylinder on an airplane. You can't plug it into your car outlet, so you don't have endless oxygen. You have to get these ordered and delivered. Secondly, you have to change the regulator on top, which it may leak, may not leak every time you open it up. And you're going to get a conserving device on top, so this tank will last you about 4.5 hours. It all depends what setting you place it on. What's the difference between pulse flow and continuous flow? Imagine drinking 2 liters in 1 minute. Pretty hard to do. So a conserving device is like sipping out of a straw, and you'll be able to sip enough oxygen to maintain an oxygen level above 90%. But how are you assured that you're going to maintain that oxygen level? Well, you need a fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you're going to use either a conserving device on an oxygen cylinder or a portable oxygen concentrator, get yourself a fingertip pulse oximeter, and you can also check your heart rate with it. Let's go over what's unique about the Inogen products. They have 2 different sizes now. The smaller version weighs a little bit less than 3 pounds. It goes to the setting 3. It has 2 separate battery packs, 2-hour and a 4-hour. And you can plug it into your cigarette lighter. And then it has its sister product for higher flow patients that goes to the setting 6. Again, it has battery that slide in and a nice control panel on the front, and you can change the setting. Very simple, by hitting the plus sign or the minus. And these products will have a flashing light every time you inhale, assure that you're getting your oxygen. So a little bit more oxygen, about double the oxygen on a G5 compared to the G4. What they have in common is a unique pump compressor. Unique to the Inogen product, it's very quiet and very dependable. 20 to 25,000 hours. Also with the Inogen products, that it has replaceable cartridges. Every home concentrator, portable concentrator has this material called molecular sieve. The material will absorb and hold the nitrogen molecule and let the oxygen molecule be stored in an oxygen holding cylinder inside the tank till you're ready to breathe. What's unique about this product is you can change them at home compared to other portable concentrators that you're going to have to send in. And it's a simple pull out and snap in. You will need to change this out every 18 to 24 months. They're very inexpensive, but they like to absorb a little bit of moisture and that's where they need to be changed out. And there's going to be a warning sign on the control panel to tell you that it needs service. And there's no rush to change out this canister. Unlike other brands, you're going to have to give up your machine. It has to go to the factory. They have to change them out. So that's what's unique about the Inogen product. The Inogen also has an expensive oxygen analyzer built in it, which assures you that you're getting medical grade oxygen every time you inhale. They come with an AC power supply, and when you plug it into the wall outlet, you're going to get a green light here to make sure you're getting good power source. And you have the round peg into the round hole. You can run the Inogen without the battery in it. If you want to reset your battery, just snap out the battery from the base of the machine, plug it into the wall outlet, it will reset itself, pop the battery back in, and you'll be able to use your product after it's reset. You can do the same thing in your car with a DC power supply. Again, I recommend always plugging this into your car outlet so you'll have endless oxygen for the road ahead. You can also have your machine analyzed by us using their Inogen Connect, which connects to your cell phone, and we can bring up your Inogen to see if it needs service. The Inogen product also comes with an external battery charger. Just snap her on. You can charge one battery in the machine and another battery in an external battery charger. Or if you wish, make sure you plug the machine in at 6 o'clock in the evening, pop the other one out, pop the other one in at 9 o'clock. When you wake up in the morning, you'll have 2 full batteries. Why would you get the Inogen G4 over the G5? Think of the Inogen as your exercise machine. If it's small, handy, lightweight, easy to use, you're going to get in your exercise you need, especially if you have a lung disease. You need to measure the amount of steps you take every day using a pedometer or a Fitbit, or you can set your phone to count your steps. The Inogen G3 can be upgraded to the G5. At OxiMedical, we have an exchange program. We're one of the unique companies that will get you the right product to keep you active. We buy back, you can trade in and get an Inogen G5 if you need higher flows. If you're on the setting 3, 4, and 5, then I recommend going directly to the Inogen G5. The Inogen product comes in a nice carrying case that you can carry over your shoulder. You can carry it in a hip bag. You can carry it in a nice backpack like this one here. The Inogen also can be used while you're sleeping. I recommend, if you plan on sleeping with the Inogen product, the G5, more oxygen. I also recommend that you use a wrist oximeter. You can set this for 90%. Always check with your doctor to make sure if you can use the Inogen at night. A wrist oximeter will wake you up if you go below the 90% threshold. Very handy device, less than $150. Third, you can, if you want to get oxygen for nighttime use to continuous flow, Inogen makes a great home oxygen concentrator. Weighs less than 18 pounds, gives you continuous flow up to 5 liters, and it comes in a nice carry-on luggage, so you can take it on an airplane. You will not be charged for this device if you bring on an airplane. Also with the Inogen, there is a label right here in red. It's airline approved. It's FDA and FAA approved because of the label that it has on the back of the product. So let's get into the warranty on this product. The warranty comes with 3-year standard warranty. You can buy an extended warranty. I do recommend getting an extended warranty, but be careful when you buy an extended warranty. They do not cost you, be careful, they do not cost you $350 to $380 a year for multiple years. You can buy a whole machine for that price. And what are they going to actually change out during the lifetime warranty? So beware of extended warranties that overcharge you. Turnaround time, if one of these machines fail at OxiMedical, we automatically send you out another unit if it fails anytime during the warranty period. Pricing on these products are in the $2,000 range. It depends on the battery packs and the accessories that you add to your Inogen product. Beware of dealers that say that I can get you an Inogen for under $2,000. Chances are it could be slightly used. Always check the serial number on the battery and on the machine. A new machine should read the year 2019. A battery that's 2017 is probably partially defective. So beware of someone saying they can get you a cheap Inogen. Speaking of buying an Inogen from a non-authorized dealer, let's say you get it from a friend. The warranties are not transferable. So if you get if you get a machine from a friend, it's not going to have a warranty. They cost $400 to $600 to fix one of these machines. So be careful of eBay, Craigslist, buying it from a neighbor. They do have an oxygen analyzer built in every machine, but there's no guarantee on the batteries. And there's no guarantee if you drop the machine and something breaks on the interior of the product. You have to be careful on those items every time you buy a used machine. We can also add in other products to your purchase, like an oximeter, a wrist oximeter, external battery chargers. If you're going to a retail store to buy one of these machines, you always need a 30-day trial period to check with your doctor. It's a prescription drug. It's delivering a drug. If it's not giving the right amount of oxygen, it needs to be returned. You need to get your money back. Be careful of companies that charge you $25, 30% restocking fee, $300, $400, $500. Read the fine print. It should cost no more than shipping and handling, which is $99, to be able to check the machine within the 30 days, go to your doctor, see if the product's working properly for you. If you need to upgrade again, we can even get you to a higher flow oxygen machine than the Inogen G5. Check reviews. Speaking of reviews, if you see a company that says they've got thousands of reviews, chances are they were bought reviews. At OxiMedical, we do it the old-fashioned way. We have thousands of letters over the years, handwritten reviews from our customers. As for the replacement program we have, again, we'll replace it right away. We can get you an upgrade. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. We have a lifetime tech support on the product. And we have a special cannula. If you're going to use this for nighttime use, we have a special sleeping type of cannula that's best to use on the Inogen G5. I want to thank you for visiting OxiMedical Respiratory. Give us a call anytime. We're at 800-335-1633, or go to oximedical.com and get more information about the Inogen product line. Thanks again for visiting us at OxiMedical.